Hey there, plant lovers! Have you ever wondered why some homes just feel peaceful, welcoming, and full of good vibes? Well, it's often the plants working silently in the background. Today, I'm sharing 15 indoor plants that naturally fill your space with positive energy, luck, and peace. These plants don't just look good, they change how your home feels. So, stay with me till the end because the flowering plants are truly the heart stealers. Let's dive in. 1. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum. The peace lily is often called the symbol of harmony, and for good reason. Its lush green leaves and elegant white flowers are known to absorb harmful toxins from the air, creating a fresh and calming environment. This plant doesn't just beautify your space, it also neutralizes negative energy and promotes mental clarity. If you place it in your bedroom or living area, you'll instantly feel a peaceful, serene vibe flowing through. 2. Lucky bamboo, Dracaena sanderiana. Lucky bamboo is one of the most popular feng shui plants, believed to bring good fortune, prosperity, and strong positive energy. Its straight, tall stalks represent resilience, while the number of stalks you keep carries specific meanings, like health, wealth, and happiness. It's super easy to grow in water and instantly adds a fresh, lively touch to any corner. Place it near your entryway or work desk and let the good energy flow in. 3. Money plant, Pothos, Epipremnum aureum. Known for attracting wealth and prosperity, the money plant is a must-have for any home. Its trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves not only purify the air, but are also said to remove financial obstacles. Keeping it in the southeast corner is believed to enhance prosperity and invite abundance. Plus, it grows so effortlessly that you'll love watching it thrive, symbolizing steady growth in life too. 4. Snake plant, Sansevieria. The snake plant is famous for its tough, upright leaves and powerful protective energy. It's known as a natural air purifier that removes toxins like formaldehyde and benzene, making your indoor air cleaner. In many cultures, it's believed to ward off negative energy and bring strong protective vibes into your home. What's special? It even releases oxygen at night, making it perfect for bedrooms. 5. Areca Palm, Dypsis lutescens. Nothing brings tropical vibes indoors quite like the Areca Palm, but beyond its beauty, this plant helps maintain positive energy by acting as a natural humidifier, improving air quality and reducing stress levels. Its soft, feathery leaves create a calming effect, making it ideal for living rooms or office spaces where you want to keep the atmosphere light and refreshing. 6. Aloe Vera. While many of us know aloe vera for its skin healing gel, it's also considered a strong energy cleanser. This plant is believed to absorb bad vibes and harmful energy while promoting health and healing in the home. In some traditions, if the plant thrives, it means positive energy surrounds your space. Keep it near sunny windows and it'll quietly protect your home while growing beautifully. 7. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica. The deep green glossy leaves of the rubber plant are more than just pretty. In feng shui, this plant symbolizes wealth, abundance, and happiness. It is believed to invite prosperity into your home while creating a soothing atmosphere. Its strong, steady growth reminds us of resilience and positive progression in life. A perfect plant for your living room or office. 8. Jade Plant, Crassula ovata. The jade plant, also known as the money tree, is a powerful symbol of prosperity and good luck. Its thick, round leaves resemble coins, which is why it's often placed near entrances or business counters to attract wealth and success. Besides its money-attracting abilities, it radiates peaceful, friendly energy, making your home feel warmer and more welcoming. 9. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. The spider plant is famous for its playful, arching leaves and those little spiderets that dangle down. It's known to be one of the best air-purifying plants, absorbing harmful pollutants and spreading fresh energy around. Many people say it lightens the atmosphere, reduces stress, and promotes happiness. Plus, it grows fast, making your space feel full of life and positive vibes. 10. Boston. Fern. Nephrolepis exaltata. The Boston fern is like a natural mood booster. Its lush green fronds release moisture into the air, improving humidity and making your home feel fresh and lively. Known for absorbing toxins and creating cleaner air, it's also believed to promote calmness and mental relaxation. Great for your bathroom or a cozy corner that needs a burst of positive, refreshing energy. Chinese money plant. With its round coin-shaped leaves, the Chinese money plant is all about good fortune and positive energy. It's often shared as a friendship plant, passed from one home to another to spread luck. Its cheerful, playful appearance brings joy, while its symbolism reminds us that good fortune is meant to be shared. 12th. ZZ plant. Zamioculcas zamifolia. The ZZ plant is a low-maintenance beauty that quietly radiates positive energy. Its shiny, waxy leaves symbolize growth, stability, and endurance. What makes it special is its ability to thrive even in low light, making it perfect for neglected corners that need a boost of vibrant, strong energy. It's also known to absorb toxins, keeping your home fresh and full of life. Now let's move toward the flowering plants, the ones that add that extra charm, color, and positivity to any space. 13. Orchids, Orchidaceae. Elegant and graceful, orchids symbolize beauty, love, and strength. In feng shui, they're believed to promote harmony in relationships, boost creativity, and attract positive energy. Their delicate flowers bloom for weeks, adding not just visual appeal, but also a sense of balance and peace wherever you place them, especially in bedrooms or study areas. 14th African violet, St. Paulia. The lovely African violet is said to radiate positive energy and enhance the bond between family members. Their soft, velvety leaves and beautiful purple blooms can instantly brighten your mood. Many believe keeping this plant in your living area invites love, calmness, and emotional healing, making your home feel warmer and more connected. 15. Anthurium, Anthurium andreanum. Finishing off the list is the heart-shaped, vibrant Anthurium, often called the flamingo flower. Known for symbolizing hospitality, love, and happiness, this plant fills your space with cheerful energy. Its glossy leaves and long-lasting red or pink blooms create a stunning visual while inviting feelings of joy, luck, and positivity. Perfect near your entrance or living room. And that's our list of 15 powerful indoor plants, each one bringing its own touch of positivity, calmness, and good energy into your home. Do you already have any of these plants? Or are you planning to bring one home now? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear which one's your favorite. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more plant inspiration and tips. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep growing and stay positive.